sixer. He asked him to bowl within the legs. He took his left leg out of the way and hit it for the six in the extra cover region. That's what we call smart batting. 35 runs on the scorecard now. Oh, you cannot bowl there to him. That is why he is a very, very good batsman. Top players you can see. He is the glamour boy. If when you talk about cricket, you want to see some great hitting, Surat Suresh is a big name. Oh, let the umpires do their job. Oh, Surat Suresh. Deadly, deadly form he is in. 4 balls and he has got 20 runs. $59 for 4. Brilliant over. He is on a hat trick now. Last 3 balls. 2 wickets for Tausif. He is on hat trick. So the score goes on to 60. $61 runs on the scorecard now with this wide. CCL Season 1. Tough Headaches versus Mumbai Dreams. Oh, this man is on fire. 28 runs in 5 balls. If Yash can go, if Ritesh Patil can go, remember the name, Suresh. $68 for 4. The numero uno player in Players League, MCS Players League 2019. One more. So the score moves on to 69 now. Suresh is on. So that's the first single for him. 6 balls and 29 runs. And more importantly, he comes back on strike. 70 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. 6 balls, 29 runs. Oh my God. Fastest innings by any batsman in this tournament. Yesterday, Karan scored 6 sixes of 6 balls. He got out. 17 balls, 71 for Junaid. Oh, this run machine! Suresh. 76. Best innings of the tournament for me. What an innings. He is hitting all the best bowlers. Fantastic, man. 35 runs on the scorecard. 2021, I would say. Fantastic batting, yeah. So 77 for 4 is what the score is. Oh, 6 again. 41 he's on. 10 balls, 41 runs. For me, the innings of 2021. And he's beating the best bowlers. Oh, what a shot that is. 6 on any turf. 11 balls, 47. If you love cricket, you need to clap for this guy. Fantastic innings, man. Fantastic innings. 11 balls, 47 runs. Last ball. Oh, he goes for it. Gets a boundary. That's it. Fantastic. 51 runs of 12 balls. Great, great, great innings. He deserves a round of applause. Someone needs to lift that boy. Fantastic innings.